Okay, first we'll see about the introduction to Scilab. It is a freely available software. That's why we are doing to do the DSP lab on this. Okay, Scilab is a high level numerically oriented programming language. Okay, it can do many operations like matrix multiplication, exponential functions, generating the graphs. It may be a 2D graph or a 3D graph. Okay, then by using matrix based computation, dynamic typing and automatic memory management, many numerical problems may be expressed in a reduced number of code lines as compared to C or C++. Okay, like matrix multiplication with one command or directly giving the matrix, we can directly multiply or add the matrix or find the determinant of the matrix by specifying the predefined functions, determinant as well as inverse of the matrix. Okay, then how to if add the numbers, multiplication, subtraction, square root of a number, exponential function, all these things, mathematical operations, we can do it in a Scilab. Okay, like also you can generate sine wave, square wave, cos wave. Okay, like that we can generate the waveforms here. And the coding part is very simple compared to the other C and C++ programming, because so many predefined functions are there. With that we can handle all the operations. Okay, then we can do correlation, complex multi-dimensional arithmetic operations, correlation, DFT, linear convolution, circular convolutions, how to find FR filter designing, IR filter designing. Okay, and also our control systems, whatever you are ready is root locus, all these things we can do. But according to your syllabus, DSP lab, whatever is there, we'll do first that. First, today we'll do the introduction to simple arithmetic operations, what we can do in a command prompt. I will show after the introduction about this. Then Scilab also includes free packages called Xcos. Okay, like simulation we can do in this Scilab also. Okay, different equipments we can select and we can see the outputs over in the simulation. And as a syntax of Scilab is similar to MATLAB. Okay, syntax of Scilab is similar to MATLAB. Scilab includes source code translator for assisting the conversion code from MATLAB to Scilab. Scilab is available free of cost under an open source license. Okay, as I told starting, MATLAB is a licensed version, whereas Scilab is a free of cost available in the open source. And the syntax of Scilab is almost 95% same as the MATLAB only. Okay, since it is freely available software, nowadays it is used more, Scilab. Next is see how it will be working. Simple, like I'll tell. Afterwards, we'll go through the Scilab platform. Then I'll show whatever we can do there. Scilab syntax is largely based on MATLAB language. The simplest way to execute Scilab code is to type it at the prompt. Okay, 2 hyphens and greater than symbol will be there. In front of that, whatever instructions, matrix multiplication, whatever you want to do, you can type after this prompt in the graphical command window. In this way, the Scilab can be used as an interactive mathematical cell. For example, if you want to display hello world, you can type in the prompt window display. Okay, in the close bracket, in the single quotation, we can write it as hello world. Then it will be displayed in the that window only. Okay, what is Scilab? As I already told, it is a freely available software. With that, we can do mathematical operations or in engineering operations like control system operations, signal processing, whatever operations you want. Okay, signals and system, if you want to generate any sine wave, cos wave, square wave, pulses, 2D graphs, 3D graphs, we can generate using this Scilab. Okay, the same thing is explained here. What does the Scilab do? Scilab includes hundreds of mathematical functions. It has high-level programming language allowing access to advanced data structures, 2D and 3D graphical functions. Next, whatever the applications where we can use this, like for example, in mathematical simulation operations, like in engineering and science applications, where the mathematical operations and data analysis is required, there you can use a Scilab. And if you want to generate 2D and 3D graphs, then also we can use the Scilab. Then in optimization algorithms, to solve constrained and unconstrained continuous and discrete optimization problems, and in statistics also, as I told, in control system also. Then in signal processing, if you want to enhance any signal, or if you want to generate a sine wave, cos wave, then if you want to remove the noise signals from the given signals. And similarly, you can use in application development. It will increase the Scilab native functionalities and manage data exchanges with the external tools. And last thing is, you can use the simulation also in this. Okay, the simulation part I'll show in the virtual labs the next class tomorrow afternoon. Today we'll do the simple things, how to add the any numbers, how to do the matrix multiplication, how to do the matrix addition, how to find the determinant of that. Okay, I'll start with the Scilab window. Wait 1 second. I'll share that one. Is this visible now? Yes, students, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, after clicking on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
after clicking on the Scilab window, you either whatever the software you want to open, you can click on that icon. Similarly, we can click on the Scilab window. After clicking on Scilab window, we'll get this. Okay, this window you'll get. This is there, no? There, here, two hyphens and greater than symbol is there. Here, after this, you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, for example, I told display. Okay, I'll write it here, display in single quotation. Hello. That will be displayed here. See here. After typing DISP in close brackets with single quotation, hello, I written. Then after writing this, I'll click on the enter button. Okay, enter button. After clicking on enter button, we'll get the hello. Is it visible? If it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
visible, enlarge your mobile screen, then it will be visible. Okay, next. See, suppose how I'll generate a matrix, you see. First, suppose I'll take the matrix as A. I'll generate one matrix, 3 by 3 matrix or a 2 by 2 matrix. I'll take first 2 by 2 matrix. What I'll do, A equal to square bracket 1 space 2, then semicolon, then 3 space 4. Okay, close the square bracket. What it will do, it will generate a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, matrix is A. What I'll do, A is equal to, in the square bracket, 1 space 2 semicolon 3 space 4, complete the square button. Square bracket completed, then and press enter. After pressing enter, see what you'll get. A is equal to, in the down what you are getting, it is a 2 by 2 matrix with first row elements as 1 and 2, second row elements as 3 and 4. Yes, visible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this we can generate any number of matrix. Okay, now I generated matrix A. Similarly, you can generate matrix B or matrix C, whatever you want, 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix. Now what I'll do, this is the matrix 2 by 2. Now I'll find the determinant of this. Okay, here after this prompt, this is called a prompt. After this prompt, I'll type it as DET. DET in the round brackets, DET of capital A, because the given the matrix name given to matrix is A. I will find the determinant of A. Okay, what I type, DET. DET is a predefined function. It will calculate the determinant of the matrix A. Okay, DET round brackets you have to use, not the square bracket. DET round bracket, inside the square round bracket you write capital A, because you want to calculate a determinant of A. Then press enter. See, after pressing enter, you will get what answer? ANS is equal to -2. That is the determinant of matrix A. How do you find the determinant? Determinant is equal to what? 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 minus of 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is -2. Therefore, the determinant of matrix A is what? -2. Is it clear now? Yes, anybody, is it clear? This recorded video I will send to your WhatsApp number. Group I will send. I am recording this. At any time you can again see the video also. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. See, this is how to generate a matrix, how to find the determinant of this. Similarly, you can find inverse of the matrix also. Next, suppose this window fills. ಈ window complete ಆಗಿ fill ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ what you can do it here. Suppose I want to open one more, or I want to clear this window. This window is called Scilab window or editor window. Okay, Scilab window. In this, what I'll write? See, I'll write CLC. CLC. For every program, starting we'll write this CLC. What it will do? It will clear this console, command console window. This is called, whatever I am typing here, this will clear this window. Okay, CLC. See, after typing CLC, I will press enter now. Okay, what it will ask, are you sure you want to clear the console? Previously lane bardenla, that will be cleared now. Okay, yes, I will click on yes. Now the screen will be cleared. Now whatever you want to type, again you can type it. Okay, this is how we can clear this window. These are the basic expression what you can do in this window. I am telling, this is command window. Whatever I am typing is, this is command window, and whatever this is there with arrow mark, that is the command prompt. In front of this we can write all the commands whatever you want. Okay, next CLC means it will clear the command window. It will clear the command window. Next, one more thing I will tell. Clear, CLEAR. Clear. What this prompt will do? Clear. See, in this window, what all you can seeing, this is the command window. Okay, this center what is there, this is command window. You are typing this, whatever the instructions you want. Okay, next in the right hand side there is another window, variable browser. Browser window is there. Here what happens, here whatever the variable you are taking or variable you are writing this in this command window, that will be displayed in this window. Right hand side one more window is there. 3 windows are there, left, center and right hand side. Previously what I write, I have taken one variable as a, that will be displayed in this browser. Yes, any doubts? Okay, CLC what it will do, previously I have written CLC means it will clear this center window, that is command window it will clear. Now I written clear, CLEAR, not, it is not CLC. CLC is different, clear is different. CLEAR, what it will do, whatever the variables are displayed in the browser window, here workspace window. Okay, here workspace window, whatever the variables are displayed here, suppose for this, in this one variable already typed as a is equal to some matrix I have written, that is a is the variable there, that variable is coming under this workspace browser, ee window olaga baratadu. Now I want to clear this variable. How should I clear this variable? I have to, in a command prompt I have to write clear, CLEAR. CLEAR. After writing this, click on enter button. Okay, after clicking on enter button, see the right hand side window now. Now there are no variables. Why I am telling this means, if this window is filled because of so many variables, if you want to clear this window, what you have to type in the command window? Okay, after typing CLEAR in the command window, the whatever the variables previously you have used, those will be cleared. Okay, now you understand what is the difference between CLC and CLEAR. These are the two predefined function. For every programs starting we will write this, because so many programs will see, so many programs will execute all the variables and all the expressions you will type it in your command window will be there. Okay, now I want to clear those. In order to clear those, you have to use CLC command as well as clear command before writing any program. Okay, CLC will clear the command window and clear command will clear the all the variables previously what all you have used. Okay, now see one more expression, so many one more expression I'll type it. Now a is equal to, what I'll write, a is equal to 12 comma b is equal to 20. Next I'll write c is equal to 33. Okay, I'll write c is equal to 33. After typing this, I'll press the enter button. What you'll get, you see. Say what it will be displayed, a is equal to 12, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30. A, b, c are the variables. Those will be displayed in this right hand side window also. Workspace browser also. Variable browser, here also they will be displayed. C is equal to 33, b is equal to 20, a is equal to 12. Right hand side window is there, there all these variables will be displayed. Whatever the variables will take, those will be displayed in the workspace browser, right hand side browser. Okay, now A, B, C I have taken. Now what I will do, I will add these three, A plus B plus C. I will enter. A plus B plus C. I will press on enter button. Okay, we'll get now answer. Answer is equal to 65. That is 12 plus 20 plus 33. We'll get 65. Like simple mathematical operations you can do in a Scilab. addition, division, multiplication, subtraction, every operation you can do. Okay, now I added, now I'll do multiplication also. See, A star in the brackets, round brackets, I'll write A star B plus C. A star B plus C. What it will do? It will add B plus C. Okay, after adding whatever the answer you'll get, that will be multiplied with the A. Okay, now I'll press enter. What you'll get? A plus B is how much? B plus C is how much? 53. 53 into 12 is 636. Okay, these all the variables are displayed in this right hand side window, A, B, C and answer. If we are using again the same variable with a different value, whatever the recent value of that variable is there, that will be displayed. Previous value of that variable will be vanished. Okay, why I am telling this? See, before A plus B plus C you have done, the answer value is 65. Answer is equal to 65 you got in this browser window. Now what you have written? A star B plus C. The answer is equal to 636. Now what a variable answer? ANS is displaying 636. Previously ANS is 65. Okay, whatever the new value of the variable is there, that will be displayed in the browser window. Is it clear? Yes? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how to find the square root of any number? SQRT. SQRT of, suppose for example, SQRT of 20 I'll take. I want to calculate the square root of 20. The predefined function is, for calculating square root, you write SQRT. That means square root of 20. SQRT in the round bracket, you have to type 20. Then press enter button, you'll get the square root of that. Answer is ANS is equal to 4.472136. See, in the right hand side, now the answer variable ANS is equal to 4.47 is displayed. Okay, like this you can find square root, exponential function. For example, exponential is 20 raised to 2, 20 raised to 2, 400. 20 to the power of 2, 20 square, that is 400 you got. Now if we want to clear window, now the window is full. Now what I'll do, I'll type CLC. CLC means this window, command prompt window will be cleared. CLC, enter. It will ask whether to clear the window, console window. Yes, now the window will be cleared. Okay, like this you can clear the window, whatever you want mathematical operation you can do it. Now how to generate a sine waves, cosine waves, exponential, log functions, that also you can do it here. Okay, for example, I'll first tell how to get a complex number. Suppose I want the two complex numbers are, I'll take one complex number is 10 plus 5 star percentage I. Okay, 10 plus 5 star percentage I is nothing but 10 plus I 5. Complex number how will display? A plus JB will be there. Okay, that is a complex number, means it consists of real and the imaginary numbers. The same thing, 10 plus 5 star percentage I. Star is the multiplication. 5I want to write. Okay, for typing I, every time you should use the percentage symbol, percentage I. percentage I. Okay, now what it will display? 10 plus 5 star percentage I. After this, I'll press the enter button. See what you are getting now. 10 plus 5I. 10 dot it will say every time after the number it will type dot. 10 plus 5I. It is a complex number. Okay. Now, how we'll get a pi value? Pi value, for pi, in order to display pi also, we require a percentage symbol. Percentage pi. Okay, see now I'll press the enter button. What you'll get? Percentage pi is nothing but pi value 3.141. Okay, this is your pi value. Now I'll display the sine wave. Sine wave how to generate? See, I'll type here SIN. In the round brackets, I'll type, suppose I want to find a sine of pi by 2. Sine into bracket percentage pi divided by 2. Okay, whenever you are using I or pi, if you want to write, you have to use the percentage symbol. Otherwise, you'll get an error. Okay, sine of pi divided by 2. Percentage pi divided by 2. After this, I'll press enter. Okay, what it is displaying? It is sine of pi by 2 is 1. Okay, sine of pi by 2 is 1. How the graphs will be displayed, sine, cosine, I'll tell afterwards. Okay, this is how we can generate sine, cos, matrix multiplication, determinant. Okay, everything. How to clear a window? CLC means it will clear the command prompt, and clear means it will clear whatever the previous variables you have stored in the browser, that will be cleared. Okay, if this right hand side window will be filled with the variables, then you can clear that window using clear command. Okay, this is the introduction to your Scilab. Scilab is a freely available software compared to MATLAB. MATLAB is a licensed version. Those who are having laptop, I'll send the link how to download this software. You can do the programming by sitting in your home also. Okay, those who are having laptop, they can do it. I'll send the link, download the software. Then whatever program I'll explain, that you can type it and you can see the outputs in your laptop. Is it clear? Then one more thing is, if you are typing any predefined function, okay, if you want to know what that predefined function will do, what that predefined function will do means, for that you can go to question mark symbol here, help question mark symbol is there in the window. Okay, in upside, file, edit, control, applications, question mark symbol is there. After the settings, question mark symbol is there. Click on that window, whatever the instructions you want. Suppose I'll click on this window. See what will happen. One window will be open. It will help whatever the instructions you want to know about. Okay, I'll click on the search window, then find option is there. Find. Suppose I'll want to know what the CLC will do. I'll type it, find. In front of find, I'll type CLC. I have typed, then I'll enter the enter button, click on the enter button, then it will show what the CLC will do. CLC, about this it will explain. Clear command window. It will clear the command window. As I told, for every program we'll write this. It will clear the command window. Whatever instruction information you want, go to question mark help. Question mark means help. After clicking on help, you'll get this window. Then click on the search button, whatever the information you want about any predefined function. Any predefined function, type it here. It will give all the information regarding that function, predefined function here. Okay, is it clear? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This recorded video I'll send. Next, after this I'll take some more half an hour again after this class. There I'll tell about your first experiment. First experiment, according to the syllabus, sampling theorem is there, but first I'll start with DFT. How to find the endpoint DFT of any given sequence, because you are familiar with that.